potato fries. Let's do it!
Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In today's video, we are going to be making Allie's famous sweet potato fries.
Yes, so as two dietitians that practice a ketogenic diet, y'all know that we believe in the concept of metabolic flexibility. So we're going to share with you in this video what portions we would have on a typical night, as well as what a carb cycling night would look like. But to get started, let's just make the sweet potato fries.
All right.
Okay, so we've already washed our organic sweet potatoes. You don't need to peel them at all. You're gonna just cut off the ends, and then I like to cut it in half if I have a big old guy like this one. And then in half again, lengthwise, so you have a good flat surface. Put some elbow grease in there. And then we're just looking to make some slices that are about, I would say these are about, I don't know, quarter inch, half inch thick or so. All right. And then what we're gonna do is run the knife lengthwise to make French fry-like pieces. So we're just cutting each of these and we'll start throwing them in the bowl as we go.
And actually unseasoned, these are kind of the perfect size for baby-led weaning. So I've been doing a version of these with Noah as he's exploring solids.
Okay, so we actually ended up only using 3 sweet potatoes and got more than enough French fries. This is about the thickness and desired cut that we're looking for. Over here we have 3 teaspoons of Redmond real salt, so this is the high quality sea salt. Then we have 3 teaspoons of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. You can always add more to taste. And this is for about, how many cups would we say this is, Becky, of sweet potato? Ooh, I feel like 5. Does that look about right?
5 to 6.
5 to 6 cups, yeah. So what we're gonna do is put the seasonings in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, mix this up, and then toss all of the sweet potatoes. So I'll drizzle a little bit on each. We'll see how far we get. And then we'll use avocado oil as well as we spread them onto our pans with parchment paper.
Parchment makes for super easy cleanup. Remember to look for the unbleached parchment paper.
Always important. And just get right in there, and you want all of the sweet potato fries to be glistening so that they have good amount of that seasoning. Kind of spread them out as you get there. So we want to spread them out so they aren't touching too much. And then if you find a big one, you can always just run your knife to cut it into 2. And then when you feel like everything is positioned correctly, the oven was already preheated at 400 degrees. So I'm gonna just spray some avocado oil on top, make sure that they're fully glistening, and pop them in the oven. This one's good to go. So we just pulled the sweet potatoes out of the oven. We had them in for about 30 minutes, and then we flipped them. And then at that point, we put them in for another 20 minutes. But all of that can be checked like 5 to 10 minutes in a window on either end. And what do you think, Stells? Are they yummy? Yeah. We also made a really simple aioli in here with some truffle salt, about 1 teaspoon, and about 2 teaspoons of this truffle oil. And I will link these in the Amazon store in the links below. Anything else, Becky? Noah's now gnawing and enjoying.
He's had about 3 so far. We're doing good. So we just pulled him and kind of picked some of the spicy parts out, picked out some of the peppercorn.
What do you think?
I think he digs it.
Yeah?
I think he like it.
Cool. So we're gonna have these tonight with some wild salmon on the cedar plank and then a side of roasted cauliflower. And you'll see our full meals of the metabolic flexibility. So we'll show you a metabolic flexibility keto for us versus a portion for carb cycling to help to kind of nail that in.
We hope you enjoyed this recipe, friends.
Subscribe and click the like button and comment on how you love our sweet potato fries. That is good for our whole family. Yeah, I did a dance to this actually. I think it involves some like
I'm fine. Did you
Some
cut
move like that.
dude?
Some little, you know, jerky move.